Hello guys, today I will show you how to earn money at home by just doing captcha entry work. There is one website is there, megatypers.com. Here already you are seeing two options, two buttons, that is free sign up and login. First I will show you sign up part. Here click on it and all the fields are required here. See this email and password you are seeing is the login to website. You can use this email and password to log in at website. Here you can enter your name, any name, full name, whatever, how you want to enter, you can enter the name here. In the payment type, see there are so many payments options already mentioned here. PayPal, Western Union, Perfect Money, Web Money, Bitcoins, Litecoins. Here warnings is there, this information cannot be changed. Please make sure you select the correct payment method. But when you log in, after signing up, when you log in, there is an option you can change the payment method. But for this website recommendation and for my recommendation also to use PayPal. Because PayPal is not charging any money, it's just free of cost. You can easily sign up and you can easily create PayPal account. Just what is the PayPal account is just email ID. They are not giving any special account number or something else. They are just giving one email ID. So here my recommendation also use PayPal. What is the PayPal is? So and it's email ID. When you select it, it will show. Here you can enter your PayPal email ID and then your invitation code. Actually this code is used to register for Megatyper. Without this code we can't register at Megatyper. After entering all the fields, you can just select this and select this one also. I am not a robot. To verify you are not a robot or any software program which is accessing this site, so you can enter your email like this and your password, your name, something. So you can enter like this, your name, Abdul Basit suppose, and you can select your PayPal and here you can enter PayPal ID. If you want to use other payment you can use, but recommendation is to use PayPal. It is not charging any extra money, any charges. When you receive payment in the PayPal, just it will directly withdrawn to your bank account. Here invitation code I will provide, but my recommendation is create your first you test this ID by using this invitation code I will give you in description, but later on you can take your own invitation code from your login. I will explain in later. And why? Because by using this invitation code I am getting some 10% of the money from you, but I don't want that money, so that's why I'm telling you. So later on you can take invitation code from your account. But why? Because it is mandatory. See, you are seeing this star mark, this one is mandatory, you can see. So you can select this one and click on register. You will be registered. So in my next video I will explain you how to start work in Megatypers. Thank you for watching and listening me.